Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IVR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, past couple of days, nice, slow, methodical move in the upwards direction, and now a pretty key pattern here is formed. And before I go any further, I want to make note that I'm not trying to come across like I have some sort of special skill or that this is some sort of great discovery on my part to have seen and be able to draw this pattern. The exact opposite, actually. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching this exact same thing. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same pattern and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have here. So the first part of this pattern has to do with the fact that as time has gone by, there has just been a very, very beautiful uptrend here. You can't take away from the fact that over the past really week, sure, there's been pullbacks, but along the way, each of these pullbacks keeps putting in higher lows, and that's what's giving me the ability here to draw this uptrending trend line. So that would be the bottom part of the pattern here, and just the support portion, right? A support trend line in technical jargon. But there is also a problem point out there, and this problem point sits right up here at $3.90. Again, you go through the history of the chart, and you can see, generally speaking, was a problem. And then once again today, didn't quite hit it, but like I said, generally speaking, got up within the range of 390 and was a problem. And this is what would be called an ascending triangle pattern, which is a bullish pattern. Now, just because something's bullish doesn't mean that for sure guaranteed it's going to go up. But my core point here is this. It is a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that. And there's going to be a lot of people that if the price were to come up here and break through that level, that break in of itself could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So keep a very close eye on that because that's not guaranteed to happen, but it's certainly a rational thought to have as far as the technical chart is concerned. And then same with down here. If the price were to come down here and then break down below that level, well, that break could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So that's going to be the other part of the area or the pattern to watch. But yeah, moving forward, easiest way to summarize it, 30-minute ascending triangle pattern. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.